Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn passive income in Mobox. Mobox is a gamified platform that combines NFTs, DeFis and gaming. Passive income in Mobox comes from the holding or staking assets rather than active gameplay. This allows you to earn Mobox tokens or rare Momo NFTs automatically over time. So Momo NFTs are the characters in Mobox with different rarities: common, rare, epic, legendary or the mythic. Each Momo has harsh power which determines your mining rewards. In order to stake Momo, you need to open any of the web browser, and in the top there's an address bar. Over here, type on mobox.io and enter it. Make sure you've already connected to your wallet. Go to this Momo farmer here. Over here you can find the stakings here, and make sure you've already connected to your wallet. Select to this deposit here and enter the balance here, 25%, 50%, as I'm going to select to this 50%, and select to this deposit. And while staked, your Momos generate MBOX tokens automatically. You can claim rewards daily. And Mobox lets you stake tokens in liquidity pools to earn MBOX. Over here in this liquidity, deposit your tokens into a liquidity pool. LP tokens, select to this liquidity here. Select your supply. You can also check the max here. You can add to your liquidity here. And your staked LP tokens earn passive MBOX rewards over time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.